it was a fascinating case. It was really an interesting case. This guy was accused of raping a 12-year-old who was the daughter of the family he was living in Springfield. They lived on the side of the tracks in Springfield. Of course, he claimed that he didn't. All this stuff. He took a lie detector test. I had to take a polygraph, which he passed, which forever destroyed my faith in polygraphs. But what was sad about it was that the prosecutors had evidence, among which was his underwear.
His what?
His underwear, which was bloody. Sent it down to the crime lab for those efforts to reform the crime lab. Crime lab took a pair of underpants, neatly cut out the part that they were going to test, tested it, came back with the result of what kind of blood it was, what was mixed in with it. Then sent the pants back with the hole in it for evidence. So I got an order to see the evidence, and the prosecutor didn't want me to see the evidence. I had to go to Moffitt Cummings to convince Moffitt that, yes, indeed, I had a right to see the evidence before it was presented. So they presented these underpants with a hole in it. I said, what kind of evidence is that? You've got a pair of underpants with a hole in it. Of course, the crime lab had thrown away the piece that they cut out. It was really awful. I mean, I plea bargained it down because they didn't have any, it turned out they didn't have any incidents. So he would analyze blood stains if he got interested in the case. And so the story from the grapevine was if you could get him interested in the case, then, you had the foremost expert in the world willing to testify, assuming that it came out the way you wanted it to come out. And he sat at his little desk, and I pulled out my underpants, gave them to him, and started analyzing, looking at the fibers, with magnifying glass and all that stuff. And you can't prove anything. You can't even, so I could see a slight trace, but it wouldn't be enough to test and all that. So I went back and told Malin Gibson that I had, I probably can't remember his name, but I cut out his who's who, and I've done all this stuff, and I handed it to Malin Gibson. I said, well, this guy's ready to come from New York to prevent this miscarriage of justice. So we were going to plea bargain, so I went before Moffitt Cummings to present the plea. And Moffitt said, what is this? And Gibson said it was, first degree rape. And, but, he was dropping the charge, he was dropping it to, I can't remember, something like family or something. So Moffitt had to, under law, he was supposed to determine whether the plea was factually supported. Moffitt asked me to leave the room while he examined my client so that he could find out his factually supported. I said, Judge, I can't leave the room. I'm his lawyer. So I know, but I want to talk about this in front of you.
Oh, God. Really?
Yeah. So that was Moffitt. I had a lot of fun with Moffitt. But anyway, I did some of that.
How did it turn out?
He plea bargained. We got him off. There was time served in the county jail. He'd been in the county jail about 2 months.